Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 best Amazon kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. Listen, you lot, are you tired of the same old boring routine in the kitchen? Do you want to elevate your cooking game from amateur hour to Michelin star potential? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving headfirst into the top 5 Amazon kitchen gadgets that are an absolute must-have for 2025. We're talking game changers, time savers, and flavor enhancers that will make you feel like you've got your own personal sous chef. As usual, links to all these products will be in the description below. First up, we've got the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This thing is an absolute beast in the kitchen. This isn't just some pressure cooker, no, this is 7 gadgets in one. Pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, you name it, this thing does it. It's like having a whole brigade of chefs crammed into one sleek machine. And let me tell you, the results are phenomenal. Tender, fall off the bone ribs in under an hour, done. Perfectly cooked rice every single time, you got it. This thing is a lifesaver, especially if you're short on time but don't want to compromise on flavor. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Even if you've never touched a pressure cooker in your life, you'll be whipping up gourmet meals with the Instant Pot in no time. Trust me, this is one kitchen investment you won't regret. Next up, we're diving into the world of perfectly cooked proteins with the Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Now some of you home cooks might be thinking, sous vide? That's too fancy for me. Listen, you donkey, sous vide isn't just for fancy restaurants anymore. The Innova makes it accessible to everyone. This little gadget takes all the guesswork out of cooking. Want a perfectly medium rare steak every single time? No problem. Just season your meat, seal it in a bag, and let the Innova work its magic. The precision temperature control ensures that your food is cooked evenly throughout, resulting in the most tender, juicy, and flavorful results you've ever tasted. We're talking melt-in-your-mouth tenderness that will have your dinner guests begging for seconds. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Just attach it to your pot, set the temperature and timer, and walk away. The Innova takes care of the rest, leaving you free to focus on other things. Let's be honest, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But let's be real, who has time for a full English breakfast every morning? That's where the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker comes in. This little beauty lets you whip up 2 delicious breakfast sandwiches in just 5 minutes flat. You heard me right, 2 sandwiches. Perfect for those mornings when you're rushing out the door or you've got a hungry family to feed. And the best part is, you can customize your sandwiches to your liking. Eggs, bacon, sausage, cheese, veggies, the possibilities are endless. It's like having your own personal breakfast diner right in your kitchen. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good breakfast sandwich? They're the perfect way to start your day. And with the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker, you can enjoy one every day of the week. Avocados. They're creamy, they're delicious, and they're an absolute pain to cut. Until now. The OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 avocado slicer is here to make your avocado dreams come true. This ingenious tool splits, pits, and slices avocados with ease, so you can say goodbye to those nasty avocado-related injuries. No more mangled avocados, no more sliced fingers, just perfectly ripe avocado slices every single time. This tool is a game changer for avocado lovers everywhere. Whether you're making guacamole, avocado toast, or just slicing some up for a snack, the OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 avocado slicer has got you covered. It's safe, it's effective, and it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. Trust me, once you go 3-in-1, you'll never go back. Last but not least, we have the KitchenAid KHM 512ER 5-speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer. This little guy may be compact, but don't let its size fool you. It packs a serious punch when it comes to power and performance. This hand mixer is perfect for all your baking needs, from whipping cream to mixing batter. It's got 5 different speeds, so you can find the perfect setting for any task. And the best part? It's incredibly lightweight and easy to use. No more struggling with bulky stand mixers. The KitchenAid KHM 512ER is small enough to store in a drawer, but powerful enough to tackle any recipe. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this hand mixer is a must-have in any kitchen. So there you have it, folks. My top 5 Amazon kitchen gadgets that will transform your cooking experience in 2025. From the time-saving Instant Pot to the precision of the Innova Sous Vide, these gadgets are guaranteed to elevate your cooking game and impress your taste buds. Remember, cooking shouldn't be a chore, it should be a joy. And with the right tools, you can unleash your inner culinary genius and create restaurant-quality meals right in your own home. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out these amazing kitchen gadgets on Amazon and make your cooking experience easier and more fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.